Okay, today we're going to learn how to do an advanced search in Trakit. So first thing we want to do is log into Trakit. All right, from your workspace, right up here you can see advanced search. We're going to click on that. And what we're going to do is go to new search. All right, so in this case, we're going to do a search on permits applied for. So we want to see various permits that have been applied for over a certain period of time. So the first one is permit number. We'll keep that because we want the permit number. All right, and to add another search criteria, you just hit that plus button right there. All right, the next one we're going to say is applied. Okay, so we want the applied. And right here, we're going to say is between. Okay, so that'll let us set the dates. Okay, and you just click in this little box here. And for example, I want to do July 1st to the current date. And you see the current date is highlighted right here. So just click that. Now we're going to add some more search criteria. Because if we ran that report as it is, it would give us basically probably 30 or 40 permit numbers or maybe 180 permit numbers. That's all that would show up. So we need to add something to tie into those permit numbers. So let's go ahead and add the site address. Okay. And all these are in alphabetical order. And as you start doing these reports, you'll see that it becomes pretty easy. You start to remember some of the criteria. All right, now the subtype, we're just going to leave that blank. That'll return all of the permits types that we've issued. And I always like to put the job value because sometimes that's important whenever you're doing reports for the property appraiser or for ad valorem taxes, things like that. So the next one's going to be job value. So let's throw that in there. Okay, and now we're ready to run our first report. So we're going to click search. And it returned about 278 results. So apparently we've issued 278 different permits this month. Now once you've done that, you can go up here to export the results by clicking this button here. It'll automatically export it in Excel. And then when it does that, let me bring the Excel worksheet that it just popped up. Okay, now here it is. And now you can do all sorts of cool things like sort it by a permit number and things like that, which I like to do. So you can kind of group the different permit types together. As you see, we have garage sales and different residential and commercial permits in here. I've even think I saw some zoning permits. We have water conservation permits. So there's all sorts of cool things you can do with these results. For example, you could even just return zoning permits, for example, if you wanted to. So let's close this out and let's mess with that a little bit, okay? And let me show you what I'm talking about. Once you've created this report, you can go up here into edit search. And let's say, for example, let's see the subtype. You know what? I don't think I put subtype. Let me do that right now. Okay. Let's change this to permit subtype. Here we go. And let's say I only want to return single family residence. I can click contains. All right, and I'll just type in single because I know it's single family and there's no other permit type we have that has the word single in it. So let's search that again. Okay, and now for this month, for example, it shows that we have 58 permits that have been applied for this month. So I'll export that data again. And for some reason, my Excel sheets always like to open on the other screen. So let me drag it back over here. We're going to enable editing. And as you can see, we have had 58 permits applied for. All right. And what you can do now is I can sort those by the highest. Let's go, yeah, largest to smallest. So now you can see some of those job values that we have, anywhere from 461,000 all the way down to 218,000, and in various subdivisions. So that's pretty much how you run a report in Trakit. There's all sorts of different criteria you can use, and you can just keep going back to editing this search button. And for example, let's say I want to do irrigation. Okay, it's that simple. I click search, and we pull up all the irrigation permits, and it looks like we've issued 39 irrigation permits. And it would be the same process. You go to export, and it'll open up an Excel spreadsheet, and you basically just edit that data and do what you want with it.